Hey guys, Cody with Import Image Racing here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ETS Catback exhaust for your 15 to 21 WRX and STI. This is a very nice looking exhaust. You got several options you can go with. You can either get the resonated or the non-resonated version, as well as a standard stainless polished tip or the burnt tip. And I gotta say, I'm usually not a fan of burnt tips, but these look incredible. And I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer in a second just so you can see that, but I do want to talk about how this exhaust is set up. So this is a full 3-inch exhaust from the Catback. So where this bolts up to your downpipe, it's going to be a perfect 3 inches the whole way through. Other exhausts on the market claim to be a 3-inch exhaust, and sometimes they shrink down when they go through a bend or something. This is a from start to finish 3-inch exhaust coming out to a 3.5-inch tip. So very nice piece, and you're going to get V-band clamps. So the benefit of V-bands is huge because I don't know when you guys use a 2-bolt connector. So for example, the stock exhaust, you have a 2-bolt connector, and as soon as you separate that or you get a new exhaust and you assemble that, sometimes there's like some tension there and it opens up at the top or the bottom of that connection. So usually right where the bolts are, it's fine. But at the top of that connection or at the bottom of that connection, a lot of times you're going to get leaks, sometimes at both. And with the V-band clamp, I'll bring you in a little bit closer in a second and I'll show you, but the V-band clamps go over and they pull that exhaust together and you're going to get 0 leaks. You're going to have no issues with the exhaust leaking. You're just going to have a great sounding exhaust and not have that muffled, ugly sound that you get when your exhaust starts leaking. If you are going to run this exhaust, you are going to need a adapter if you're on the stock downpipe. So Grimspeed makes a really nice adapter to convert this to your stock downpipe, or if you have an aftermarket downpipe or J-pipe, you're going to have no issue with that there. So let's go ahead and get a closer look. So I'm not actually going to be able to put this clamp on the exhaust because I don't want to, make it a used unit for a customer that buys it. But when you take a look at this V-band clamp, you're going to notice there's a groove that goes the whole way through the middle of this. What's going to happen is you're going to basically take these 2 exhaust pieces, you're going to connect them just like this. And then that channel is going to run down the center of this V-band clamp. And then as you tighten this clamp and you pull it together, it is going to hold those 2 pipes in this perfect locked section like that. You're going to have no leaks. You're going to have no issues at all, and it's just so much more convenient when you're doing an install. It makes it so much easier, and then all you have to worry about is 1 bolt. You don't have to torque down 2 bolts and try and like evenly torque it or anything crazy like that. So that makes it really nice. You can see really nice welds. ETS always does a really good job with all of their stainless products. Now let's actually take a look here at these burnt tips. So check this out, guys. These look incredible. Even on the inside, you can see that finish, that gold that like works its way inside. One of the nicest looking burnt tips I've seen on an exhaust to date. And again, you got that 3.5-inch tip starting from 3 inches working its way up. So with the exhaust, you're also going to get a little bit of hardware, little pamphlet that just basically says what you got, and then you're going to also get some fresh gaskets for that downpipe connection, the 2-bolt connection that's going to be on your downpipe. So that is going to be the only 2-bolt connection left, which is good because then you only have one place that you really have to worry about leaks. And if you get that Grimspeed adapter for your stock downpipe, you shouldn't have any issues. So here is the end of the mid pipe where it Y's off. So this will be your Y pipe for your dual muffler deletes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mid pipe. And again, this is the non-resonated mid pipe, and you can also get the resonated version as well if that's something that you're interested in. And here you have a pretty well built, pretty thick flange that's going to bolt up to your OEM downpipe or your aftermarket downpipe. And again, if you are still running the OEM downpipe, you're going to want that Grimspeed adapter because that is going to convert your factory diameter to this 3-inch pipe. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. So you can see this is a really nice exhaust. It's really well built, and it's going to sound great on your car. So I would make sure to take advantage of these Black Friday deals while they're here because they won't last long, and ETS doesn't regularly go on sale. So now is a great time to take advantage of that. That's going to be it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Had to do it.